Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. Hi, welcome to the video. Due to the time of year that this video has been filmed and going out, many of you may have received one of these, the Encaustic Art Starter Set. See the video linked for the contents etc. of the kit. Many people, when you first start, wish to achieve small landscape type achievements like these. These have been made into greetings cards. So in this video I'm going to create a small landscape for you to see. But like I said, many of you may have received one of these starter sets. If you get stuck, just contact me at Encaustic Art Plus, and I'm more than happy to offer advice and assistance, and I also offer face-to-face teaching when possible. Right, I'll just get things set up so we can start. I've just selected a random selection of colours, and that's what I'm going to paint my little landscape with. I've not thought, oh, I need red, I need blue, I need green, I need this, that or the other. I've just literally picked out a handful of waxes, and that's what I'm going to paint with. So I've got my iron. I'm going to mix a sky. Sky would have a couple of colours in it, so we'll have a bit of this lilac, a little bit of blue, and I'm going to put some orange in it as well. See what we get. I'm going to twist my card, rest the iron on, and slide backwards. That's an alright sky, quite happy with that. So I've got that as a sky, starting point of this picture. I'm going to have slightly rounded mountains, so we're going to work down the side edge of the iron, applying bands of wax. Green, red, we can have anything we want down here really. So it'll all sort of mooch together, a bit of gold. And then I'm going to run that edge right up to the edge of the sky and just pull it through and sort of make a bit of an M shape, like so. That'll give you a rounded hilltop, and then go back over underneath. I've got to do me a little bit more wax on my iron. I'm just going to pop a bit more on. A bit more green. A bit of orange. Some gold. Just roughly in bands, and then just go again. I'm trying to do this as if I'm just learning encaustic, to give you an idea of what sort of things you might achieve. So just keep going. That's fine. It's starting to muddy up a bit at the bottom. That's absolutely fine. That's about what we want to achieve at the minute. Then we're going to pop some colour on, some orange and green, and a bit of gold within it. Right? And we're going to pop the iron down and lift up along the bottom. Trying not to get too many iron marks, and to get rid of those, if you get lots of them, just take the card in your hand and just flex it. Like so. Yes, I've got a bit of a ploughed field at the bottom. Green fields in the distance, hills, sky, yeah, gives you a bit of an idea. And then let's start making some headway. So we'll pop a little path in, point the iron and slide left and right. and randomly just pick every now and again and just push some grasses up at the sides to give your picture some realism. You might want to just pick every now and again out in this area, just give it some there we have a basic landscape. For those of you that are feeling brave and wish to make it a little bit more, you can always put a bird in it. Just get some dark brown, I've just got it out of the box. So literally just pop a dot down and then flick, and a dot and flick, and again pop down a dot, a bit big this dot but you'll be able to see it at least, and flick and flick. Nice big bird there in the sky. So we've got a couple of birds in the sky, and then you can, once you get feeling a bit more confident, you can do things like pull shapes out of the bottom of the picture and just pull up, and you can start creating things like trees or tree-like structures. Just have a play around and see what you can achieve. Nice little landscape there. Make a great greetings card like these others did. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.